How to cook Rougamo bread. Rougamo bread is a traditional Chinese flatbread that is easy to make at home. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup water, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar. Instructions: 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Mix well. 2. Gradually add the water to the flour mixture, stirring continuously until a dough forms. 3. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. 4. Divide the dough into 6 equal pieces and roll each piece into a ball. 5. Flatten each ball with a rolling pin into a thin and round disc, about 1/4 inch thick. 6. Brush a non-stick skillet with vegetable oil and heat it over medium-high heat. Place the Rougamo discs, oiled side down, in the skillet and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the bottom is lightly browned. 8. Flip the Rougamo over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the other side is lightly browned. 9. Remove the Rougamo from the skillet and let it cool slightly before serving.